Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to talk about the CAD History Tree and how you can use it to edit and modify your designs. To begin with, you'll find the CAD History Tree as one of the primary docking panes in the software. This will leave a history of all the steps that you took to design in 3D or edit your 3D designs. If you right click on any one of the items in the tree, you can edit, rebuild, suppress, unsuppress, roll back, delete the preceding tree history, rename, or delete. Using these options, you can modify your designs without having to start over. If we look at this example here, we can see there's a fillet at the bottom of this pocket. If we wanted to turn that fillet off, we could right click on that feature in the tree and choose suppress, and then now that fillet will no longer be active in our design. If we go to one of our extrude features, like these pockets here, right click and choose edit, we can adjust the depth of that pocket. Let's make it a 1/2 inch instead of 3/4. Okay, same thing with this extrude cut here. We can see these holes go down to a particular depth. If we would like to edit what that depth is, we can right click and edit that feature and change how deep we want our holes to go to. Okay, just like that. With our holes there, if we go to our extrude cut, again, we can make adjustments to either the geometry that we have selected or to the feature itself. And this is just a very fast and easy way to make adjustments to your design without having to start over from scratch. Now, you do have the ability to optimize your CAD history tree. This will look for similar editing commands and consolidate them into one, or you also have the ability to delete the entire history tree so no history is left to be undone.